Welcome back, fellas, into this new PDF Express. If you think that your PDF cannot be edited, well, think about it later because it can be edited. So PDFs are great for sharing, but a nightmare for editing, especially when you don't want to pay for expensive software like Adobe Acrobat. But there's an actual free way that you can do this without paying absolutely anything. So the first method is by using the free online PDF editors. So for example, you have the small PDF element. What you can do is to just select the element here, sign in, and go for start with your PDF. Basically, here what's going to happen here is that what you can do, for example, here is to select your PDF, go for continue, upload your PDF file, and once loaded, you see a simple editing interface. You can use the text tool to click anywhere into the document and into the type. You can easily select an actual color, change the font size, move to the text precisely where you needed it, and what you can do now is to even change where one page should be changed from another element, right? So this is totally depending on which is the actual editor that you choose. You can use, for example, simple text. For example, let's say that I wanted to be changing some elements that are directly in here. So what I can do now is to click into one element. I can add my own text, and let's say, for example, this is just a trial. Usually what this kind of application does is that they give you with exactly the same font, so you don't see that there's an actual anomaly here, and you can be changing those elements later. You can even add your own signs. For example, let's say here an actual signature, and I can start like this. This is my actual sign, something like this, right? So I go for use it, automatically will be saying that imported directly into my actual document, and I click where I want it to be this imported, and let's say something like this. Something else that we can do into this kind of elements is, for example, the elements would you like to delete. For example, let's say, for example, this one. This is not like a actual erase mark. Basically, it's like a correction tool. Let's say, for example, that I would like to delete all of this. So I just make this actual element look like this. And there we go. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing in here. And you can edit the size of your corrector. And there we go. Check out how it actually looks. You can be changing these elements anytime you wanted to. And this can be saving you tons of time just by editing this in a very easy way, right? So like this, and we're actually good to go. Now, only use the highly trusted online editors and always confirm the site and deleted your files after a few hours. So if you needed to change large blocks of text, Google Docs is your best free solution, because this one turns a PDF back into an editable Word document. Let's open a new tab. Directly in here, what I'm going to do here is to go open the element that says Google Docs. I click directly in here, I sign in directly into my Google account, open an actual new file. So you can search into your drive to show it with me, start, computers, and hit into upload. I go for browse once again, and into my desktop, I type again PDF, and I'm going to be choosing exactly the same file that we were just opening before. So let's say, for example, that I select here, open, and this will be making the actual quick conversion between the PDF and into Docs. Something else that does a really great work is Canva, for example. If you have Canva, or if you don't, you can download the application. You just go directly into the actual browser and create an account for free directly here into Canva, and the process is exactly the same. So here, directly here into Canva, what you can do now is to sign in, go for file, go for open, and import your PDF file, and this will be turning your PDF file into an actual full editable PDF file with no restrictions whatsoever. So basically, this is how we can actually do this process. So check out here to Canva how I import my PDF file, and this automatically make this file totally editable. So this is something that is going to be really, really great in Canva, and this is the actual free version. So there's a lot of elements that you can try them out into the paid version if you wanted to try that out. So you can let me know into the comments below what you think about this kind of elements. You can use the online editor, you can use Google Docs, you can use Canva. All of this application actually works really, really fun. You can let me know into the comments below which one to be using and which one fits for you the best. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great elements of how we can use and edit PDF files and so much more. So once again, thank you for watching this video, guys. Hopefully with all this being said, we can see you next time.